Hello everyone, today we are going to be making the best easy homemade salsa. It's 4 simple steps. So the first step is to collect your ingredients, and right here I'm collecting a green pepper, an onion, and a tomato. Step 2 would be chopping all of your ingredients up. So we're gonna take about half an onion and we're going to finely chop that so that we can put it in our mixture. Now once we're done chopping, we're gonna stick it all in our bowl, and then we're gonna move on to the next ingredient, which would be the green pepper. And don't forget that you need to wash all of your ingredients before you put them in. Just wash your vegetables, it's always important. So we're gonna take about half of the green pepper as well, and we're going to finely chop that before adding it to our bowl. So once you've chopped that up and you can stick it in, I tried to make it look pretty, but it's not necessary. You can just throw it in there. Now we are starting with our tomato. Once again, take about half, chop it up. Now you can add more or less of these ingredients. It's all your preference. I just personally like less vegetables and more salsa, I guess, but you still get a decent amount of it in your salsa when you're done. So now we add that to our bowl, making it all pretty again. Once again, not necessary, I just wanted it for the aesthetic. Now we are on to step 3. We are going to take our tomato sauce and we're going to dump it in the blender. Then we're going to take our can and fill it about halfway, swish it around, and dump that water into the blender as well. And that'll give us a little extra liquid. And then we're going to start adding our ingredients. So you're going to do 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, and then about 1 tablespoon of cumin. And then I didn't have any fresh cilantro. Usually I would use fresh, so I just sprinkled some of my pre-dried cilantro in. And then you want to add about 1 teaspoon of salt as well. Once all of your ingredients are together in the blender, you're gonna mix that all up. And now for our 4th and final step, we are going to mix all of our ingredients together and enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like and subscribe so that you can tune in for our future endeavors. Talk to you soon.